access to menstrual products is a human right. Menstrual equity continues to be an important issue that impacts undergraduate students across Ontario.
A collective is calling on the province to require colleges and universities provide free menstrual products on campuses.
This is a matter of gender equity that, when acted on, will benefit students' academic performance, mental health,
asking the government to provide financial assistance to schools who need support to address what they say is a rise in period poverty.
We've heard many times from our students of the big need to tackle period poverty, and just the fact that many of them have been unable to access and just finance their own provision of menstrual products.
The Ontario Human Rights Commission has also added its voice to this call, saying the barriers to accessing these products don't end in 12th grade. Also citing a recent study by Plan International Canada of the 3,000 respondents. At least 23% have struggled to afford menstrual products. More than half missed work or school or declined social activities because of their period. That number even higher for women under 25. At least 3/4 of respondents have had a period leak at work or school. 86% have been unprepared when their period started.
When we're thinking about the number of people who are impacted by this, we also have to consider trans men, non-binary, and people of diverse gender identities. But so far, the data largely available does not account for such identities yet.
Given that racialized and students with disabilities are more likely to be low income, this issue disproportionately affects some student groups more than others.
CityNews reached out to the Ministry of Colleges and Universities. A spokesperson would only say post-secondary institutions have full discretion to set their own policies. The Toronto Youth Cabinet, who successfully advocated for these products to be in public schools, says they've met with Minister Jill Dunlop.
Overall, the sentiments were positive, so I'm hopeful and optimistic.
Some schools do provide free menstrual products on campus, including Brock University, Centennial College, and earlier this month, the University of Toronto launched a pilot project to provide products in washrooms and other spaces on the St. George campus.
Period poverty has significant consequences to the financial and social aspects of a person's life. And these are two major areas that post-secondary students particularly interact with.
For City News, I'm Faiza Amin.